Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and this is Morris from the best online tutorials here. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get 300 DPI on Canva. So getting 300 DPI on Canva is quite easy. We have a design opened up here in Canva. How can you get 300 DPIs from your design? Just click on the share at the top right, go ahead and click on download. Now make sure you set the file type to either JPEG or PNG. For this video I'm going with PNG, and I'm going to be telling you that there are two ways to go about getting yourself at 300 DPIs. You can for Canva, the first option is with Canva. You can simply take the file size all the way to the end, and which would cost you Canva Premium. So you would need Canva Premium in order to get this done. So you need to pay for this service and then click on download. So this is what it looks like once you've opened it up and you check the file information. You can clearly see here it's set to 300 DPI, and you can see this file size, which is 3375 by 4219. So it's at 300 DPIs. Now, if you want to get it a bit lower than this, if you want to get it at a cheaper rate without having to pay for premium, here's the second option. Just head over to the clidio.com/editor/DPI-converter. The link would be in the description. All right, and once the website opens up, go ahead and choose your file. So select the file you would like to increase the DPI size of, which I have done here. And then once you do that, select 300 DPIs. And once you click on download and open up the file information, you get to see here that the file size is 2160 by 2700 at 300 DPIs with a much lesser size as compared to the Canva option. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.